Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here, then welcome to my channel. My name is Erin and I create lifestyle videos, so everything from fashion, beauty, travel, and wellness, you can find that all here. But today's video, we are going to be doing a hair tutorial. So I'm going to be sharing with you 3 different ways that you can master the top knot. They're all so simple and so quick. So if you don't have a lot of time in the mornings, then these are perfect for you. And they're also great for any hair type. I have more fine and thin hair, but if you have thicker hair, then these will also work for you. So let's jump right into it. Alright, starting off with the first top knot. So I'm just pulling my hair back into a high ponytail, and I always like to pull out the hair beside my ears as well. Just my personal preference, so you guys don't have to do that if you don't want to. So I'm just tying my hair up into a ponytail. I also like to use a scrunchie. I find it gives it a little more volume underneath the bun. And I'm just splitting my hair into 2 and then twisting it up a little bit. Then I'm going to take the 2 sections and just wrap them around the scrunchie until I have a little top knot. And then basically I'm going to take a couple of bobby pins and pin that into place. So you can just use as many bobby pins as you need to secure your hair up in the bun, and then I like to pull it out to make it a little bit bigger. And that is top knot number 1. For the second top knot, I'm just starting off by doing another ponytail, but this time on my last turn tying my elastic, I'm just going to leave a tiny little loop, and then with the remainder of my hair that's hanging out there, I'm going to wrap that around the scrunchie and the loop and just bobby pin that in place. You could also just tuck the ends of your hair into the scrunchie if you just wanted a quick an easy top knot, but I like to just bobby pin that in place, and then I'll tug at it a little bit just to loosen it up a little bit, and that is basically it for the second top knot. Super simple, really quick, and easy to do. For the third style, I'm just going to start off by taking my brush and I'm going to just gently tease up my hair a little bit. I like to do this because my hair is more fine and thin, but if you have thicker hair, you probably don't have to do this. Yeah, I just find it gives my bun a little bit more volume. Then I'm just going to loosely twist my hair and wrap it around the scrunchie. And after that, I'm going to pin it in place, so just using as many bobby pins as I need to hold the bun up, and that's basically it for the third top knot as well. Really easy and quick to do. So that sums up the 3 ways that you can style your hair in a top knot. Hopefully you guys liked this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!